Hi friends, welcome to Crunchyworks channel. Today we are going to see about construct the magic square. Before we are going to construct the magic square, we have to learn what is magic square. Magic square is a square divided into smaller square. Divided into smaller square. Each contains a number such that the number in each row, column and diagonal add up to the same value. For example, 4, 9, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 6. When we add this, we will get 15. Here also we will get 15 and here 15. In diagonal we get 15 and this column we get 15 and this 15 and this 15. This is the magic square. Now we are going to construct. Now we are going to construct the magic square. We are going to write the numbers 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Now we are going to put the diagonal lines. Now we are going to circle the corner number. Now we are going to replace the corner numbers in opposite side. 27 will go to this side and 23 will go to this side. 21 will go to this side and 29 will go to this side. Now we are going to put a box. Now we are going to write these numbers in this box. We can write in this way or in this way. Let's write the number. 24, 29, 22. Next, 23, 25 and 27. 28, 21, 26. Now we are going to add this. First we are going to add this row. When we add this, we get 75. Now we are going to add this row. When we add this, we get 75. Now we are going to add this row. When we add, we get 75. Now we are going to add the columns. Now we are going to add this column. We get 75. Now we are going to add this column. We get 75. This column, 75. And we are going to see diagonals. In this diagonal, we add means we get 75. In this diagonal, we add means it will get 75. Now we are going to see the next sum. We can do this sum by any numbers. With any numbers, we can do this sum. Now we are going to see the another sum. In last sum we have constructed the magic square. Now we are going to find the missing numbers. In same method we are going to find this. First we have to write the numbers. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. Now we are going to put the diagonal line. Now we are going to mark the corner. 46, 48, 52 and 54. Now we are going to replace it. 54 will come here and 46 will come here and 52 will come here and 48 will come here. Now we are going to see where is the 2 number. We are going to find 47 and 52. Here is the 47 and 52. And the third number is 51. We are going to write the 51. Now we are going to see 51 and 46. 51 and 46. 51 and 46. And the third number is 53. And now we are going to see 53 and 49. 53 and 49. The third number is 48. Now we are going to see 48 and 52. 48 and 52. And the third number is 50. I am going to write 50. Now we can see 46 or 46 and 50, or we can see the 49 and 47. I am going to see 49 and 47. 49, 47. And this number is 54. We have constructed this magic square. Now we are going to add this. When we add this, we get 150. We add this, we will get 150. When we add the diagonal, we also get 150. In this diagonal and in the column. And in this column, we are get 150 in all the side. Using this method, we can construct the magic square and missing numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel.